Hello everyone. So in this lecture we discuss about the archaea and its classification in the series of the microbial diversity and its application. So the topic should be covered in this lecture is introduction to archaebacteria, basic properties of the archaea, structure of archaea and the classification of archaea. So पुल अगर हम पिछले तुम्हारे लेक्चर से कुछ क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करते हैं तो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एक्ट एज मॉडरेट इन ग्राम स्टेनिंग. So you have just learned the question. Option should be the gram iodine, crystal violet, safranin, Bengal gram. So correct answer should be the gram iodine. So introduction discuss करते हैं. आर्के बैक्टीरिया के बारे में बोलता है. In 1996 scientists decided to split Monera into the two groups of bacteria, आर्के बैक्टीरिया एंड ह्यू बैक्टीरिया. ठीक है. साइंटिस्ट ने डिसाइड किया कि जो मोनेरा किंगडम था उसको दो में डिवाइड किया जाए, दैट इज आर्के बैक्टीरिया एंड द ह्यू बैक्टीरिया. बिकॉज दीज टू ग्रुप्स ऑफ बैक्टीरिया वर डिफरेंट इन मैनी ways. Scientists created a new level of classification known as domain. Now we have three domain: bacteria, archaea and eukarya. अगर हम बात करते हैं एरके बैक्टीरिया के बारे में, एनी ऑफ अ लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ प्रिमिटिव बैक्टीरिया have unusual cell wall, membrane lipids, ribosomes and RNA sequences, and having the ability to produce a methane and to live in anaerobic conditions where oxygen is not available, extremely hot, salty or acidic condition, that is मतलब humid सी condition. ठीक है. Domain archaea means ancient bacteria. Some of first archaeobacteria were discovered in Yellowstone National Park hot springs. Prokaryotes are structurally simple and biochemically very complex characteristics. They live in extreme conditions like hot spring and salty areas and normal environment like soil and ocean water due to their cell wall. All are unicellular. Each individual is only made up of one cell. Unicellular. No peptidoglycan in their cell wall. ठीक है. Some have a flagella. They are aids in the locomotion. Most do not need oxygen to survive. ठीक है. उनको ऑक्सीजन ही चाहिए. They are anaerobic. They can produce ATP energy from the sunlight. They can survive even extreme temperatures. They can survive under rocks and even the oceans. Different type. They can tolerate ह्यूज प्रेशर डिफरेंसेस. ठीक है. अगर हम स्ट्रक्चर की बात करते हैं तो आर्किया आर स्लाइटली लेस देन 1 माइक्रोन लॉन्ग. इन ऑर्डर टू सी द सेलुलर फीचर साइंटिस्ट आर यूज पावरफुल इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोपी. ठीक है. शेप्स इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोपी में सुनो, लिसन कि जो तुम्हारे इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोपी हैं उसमें भी दो टाइप होते हैं, सेम एंड टैम. ठीक है. So next one is shape. Shapes should be the spherical ball like हो सकते हैं जिसको हम कोकस बोलते हैं, कोकाई. अदर रॉड शेप हो सकते हैं तो बेसिलाई. ठीक है. वेरिएशन ऑफ सेल हैव बीन डिस्कवर्ड इन स्क्वायर एंड ट्रायंगल शेप्स. अगर हम स्ट्रक्चर की बात करते हैं तो लोकोमोशन, सम आर्किया हैव फ्लैजिला, हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दैट एडजस्ट इन मूवमेंट. दे आर कैन बी वन और मोर अटैच्ड टू द सेल outer membrane. Protein network can also be found in the membrane which allow to attach themselves in the various groups. Cellular feature. Within the cell membrane, the archaea contains cytoplasm and DNA which are in a single looped form known as plasmids. Plasmid are the extra chromosomal DNA. Most archaeal cells also have a semi-rigid cell wall that help to maintain its shape and chemical balance. These protect the cytoplasm, which is a semi-liquid gel that fills the cell and enable the various parts to function. Structure of archaea, phospholipids. ठीक है. The molecule that make up the cell membrane are known as phospholipids, which act as a building block for the cells. In archaea, these molecules are made up of the glycerol, either lipids के बने होते हैं. ठीक है. Ether bonding. The ether bonding make it possible for archaea to survive in environment that are extremely acidic or alkaline or that have a great extreme in temperature. Classification of archaea phylums. So Crane archaeota, Eukaryota, Corin archaeota, Thomber archaeota, and Nano archaeota are the 5 classes of archaebacteria. So Crane archaeota. The name means clapped archaea that are often irregular in their shapes. All Crane archaeota synthesize a distinctive tetraether lipid called cranioles. ठीक है. Cranioles originally contain thermophilic and hyperthermophilic sulfur metabolizing archaea. Recently discovered crane archaeota are inhibited by sulfur and grow at lower temperature. One of the best characterized membrane of Cran archaeota is sulfolobus sulfatricus, isolated from geothermally heated sulfuric springs in Italy and grow in 80 degrees Celsius at a pH of 2 to 4. Eukaryota, Eukaryon archaeota, very diverse with the 7 classes, that is Methanococcus, Methanobacteria, Halobacteria, Thermoplasta, Thermococci, ठीक है, archae globuli and Methanopyri. On the basis of habit, they are divided into the following methanogen, extreme halophiles, sulfase reducer, and many extreme thermophile with S-dependent metabolism. हेलोफाइल्स आर द सॉल्ट लविंग, ठीक है, जहाँ पे सॉल्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा होगा, हेलोफाइल आर देयर. The halophilic organism requires salty environment for their survival occurrence. They are always found in the salty lakes and areas where evaporation of sea water occurs, such as the Great Salt Lake in US and the Dead Seas. Can live in water and salt concentration exceeding 15%. The ocean concentration is roughly 4%. Example, Halobacterium, which includes several species found in salt lake and high saline oceans environment, Halobacterium salinarium, ठीक है, and Halobacterium halobium. Methanogens are the microorganism that produces methane, such as a metabolic byproduct in anoxygenic conditions. They are strictly anaerobic organisms and are killed when exposed to oxygen. They are reduce CO2 using H2 and release methane in swamps and marshy, that is known as marsh gas methane. ये तुम्हें अकरेंस कहाँ पे होता है, ये तुम्हें मड एट द बॉटम ऑफ द लेक्स एंड स्वम्स एरियाज में मिल जाएंगे, बिकॉज वहाँ पे तुम्हारी ऑक्सीजन की लैक होता है. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो फाउंड इन द डेड एंड डिकेइंग मटेरियल. सम आर herbivores like cows and humans. Importance: they are added to the biogas reactor for the production of the methane CH4 or gas for the cooking and treatment sewage plants. एग्जाम्पल तुम्हें बताया था, Methanopholis equamaris, thermophilic and sulfur reducing bacteria. All thermophile required hot water but different in other habitat needs. Some thrive in only acidic water, other require sulfur and calcium carbonate, and other live in alkaline springs. Thermoacidophile, heat and acid lover. Both aerobic and anaerobic species होती हैं. Hyperthermophile, extremely heat lovers, whereas Pyrolobus fumari currently holds the record for the high temperature growth. It can be grow up to 113 degrees Celsius. Pyrolobus fumari. ठीक है. Coron archaeota क्या होता है? The name is derived from the Greek noun koros, or meaning means young men or young women, and the Greek adjective gyros means ancient. They are also known as Xeran archaeota. The Coron archaeota have been only found in high temperature hydrothermal environments. In Yellowstone National Park, Coron archaeota were most abundant in spring with a pH of 5.7 to 0.7.0. The Cron archaeota were originally discovered by the microbial community analysis of ribosomal RNA genes from the environmental samples of a hot spring in Yellowstone National Park. Throm- Thromber archaeota. The Thromban archaeota means wonder. All organisms of this lineage thus were identified from the chemolitho anaerobic pneumonia oxidizers and play important role in the biogeochemical cycle, such as nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, and different cycle. ठीक है. Next one is a nano archaeota, means the old dwarf. They inhabit high temperature environment with an optimal growth of 90 degrees Celsius. ठीक है. Member of this phyla have not detected in pure culture. Importance of archaea. ठीक है, इसमें याद रखना सीवेज ट्रीटमेंट में तुम्हारे मिथनोजेंस का यूज़ किया जाता है. दे कैरी आउट एनारोबिक डाइजेशन एंड प्रोड्यूसेस द बायोगैसेस, एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ वेरियस मेटल, एसिडोफिलिक बैक्टीरिया. ठीक है, एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ गोल्ड, कॉपर एंड कोबाल्ट फ्रॉम देयर ओर इज मीथेन गैस प्रोड्यूसर, दैट इज मिथेनोजेनी आर्कियाई. कैन decompose grow in biogas fermenters and cow dung into methane gas as bioproducts. Importance of archaea: role in biogeochemical cycle, help in various research and antibiotics. Archaea have a new classes of potentially useful antibiotics. ठीक है, so this is all about the archaebacteria and its classification. ठीक है, सारा यही था. So thank you everyone.